What's going on, guys? Bama'S Outdoors back with you again today, and we're going to be doing something a little different. A lot of you guys who watch my videos know that I've mentioned how I want to do a new intro, and so I've got a buddy of mine over here named Justin who's got this really cool drone. He's going to tell you about it and everything. And obviously we're at the lake, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get some drone footage over the lake in order to make our video. So let me introduce you to Justin.
My name's Justin. This is my DJI Spark drone. It's got a self-avoidance collision system right there, a 4K camera right there. It's probably one of the best drones for a reasonable price that you can get. We're going to shoot some video.
Absolutely. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is you can see we're standing in this cove, and what we're going to do, he's going to do some footage, get above the trees, be able to get both sides of the bank and just go across the water. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try to get our watermark put on the video, and then we're going to put some music in there and then just see how this works. So Justin, you ready to do this, man?
Let's do it, man.
All right, go for it.
All right.
This is going to be really cool. This is going to be awesome. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this because he's going to be really freaking high.
About 300 feet up. Yeah. You have to wait for it to sink to this, and then it'll say, go fly. You have to wait for the app
awesome.
to come in.
So once you do your first shot, we can come back and actually watch it on your phone and see how it looks.
Yeah, bro.
That's going to be cool. That's going to be cool. That's a beautiful shot, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it.
See, look at
but
that.
Look right
That's
here.
The camera.
This is on his phone, and you can see this is going to be a great shot from the air.
So what we'll do is we'll start recording right now. Oh, that's a picture. Hang on. Your home point has been updated, so even if I lose control, it'll come back and land itself right here.
That is sweet, dude.
Yeah.
And you know what's cool about this drone, guys?
Right,
it don't matter what he's doing. It's got what? Never mind. There he goes. Holy smokes. Gone.
That's sport mode.
I have no idea where it is. It's way out there. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the phone.
See?
Yeah, that looks good. That's actually perfect heights, dude. That's like treetop level.
So you want to go
from the pier out.
Okay.
From the pier out that way.
Okay. Watch the video. Watch the video. Ready? Now you want to go all the way out.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll stop it right here. Okay.
All right, let me look up. Where's the drone?
Right there.
It's way up there, man.
Yeah. All right, so we'll start recording.
All right.
And we will move it up. Very slowly.
Yeah, it's very slowly, but I see it moving.
Yeah.
And you know the cool thing about that is as you put it in your editing software, you can actually speed it up too if you want.
Yeah.
You know, in the editing software, you can actually make it look like it's moving a lot faster.
How's that?
Oh, dude, you're all the way out at the main lake already.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
So look at this.
Dude, you're so far out there, I can't believe you can control it. You're almost at the parking lot across the lake.
See if we can do a little turnaround.
So guys, what we're doing is we've moved to a different area of the lake, and we're gonna get some more footage over here from this side. And when this is all said and done with, what we're gonna do is we're gonna edit it. We're gonna put a watermark on it, try to find some decent music or some sound or some sort to put in there, and hopefully this will be our intro from now on out. If we get the perfect footage, which I think we are, because this is one of my favorite lakes to fish. So many of my videos I've done at this lake, and I have caught some very big fish here.
Yeah, I wish I had an extra battery. Battery time on this thing's only 15 minutes.
Wow, you gotta get it done quick, don't you?
Yeah. But 15 minutes, you know, is a long time. So you go fly.
So he's already sent me some of the footage, which I'm going to put inside this video.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, I'm not even going to try to keep up with this thing, because it's like here 1 minute and halfway across the lake the next. Let's see what we get. Okay guys, we are done for the day. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed hanging out with Justin over at Eagle Eye Drones. He has a YouTube channel, and you guys should really check him out. Go over there and subscribe to his channel. I'm very grateful for him coming out with me today, and I think I might even be able to get him to come out on some of our fishing trips this year and do some drone footage of me fishing and stuff like that. But we really enjoyed it. As you can tell there at the end, that was my final product. That's going to be our new intro for this year's channel. So maybe we'll change it. I'm not sure. I'm pretty happy with it now. Maybe put another different music or something like that in it. But anyway, some of you guys are probably anticipating some fishing videos. I am anticipating going fishing. The weather's been really bad. We've had more rain in Georgia the past few months than I can ever remember, and I've lived here for just about 20 years. But I've got a new job, so I'm not going to be able to get to the water as often as I have been in the past. But currently, with this whole coronavirus thing going down, you know, we're still able to work, and I'm very grateful for that. So we're going to work as long as we can and try to get a day here and there so we can get to the water and make some fishing videos. But if it gets to the point to where we're shut down, then I'm just going to fish to the whole time until we can get back to work and stuff. I'm very fortunate, and I live close to some bodies of water, so I just go fish during this whole thing, which is not a bad thing. So y'all don't forget to check out Justin over at Eagle Eye Drones. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel as well. We're hoping to try to hit at least 3,000 this year. Yeah, that's it. So we'll see you again soon with a fishing video, and as always, God bless and happy fishing.